Welcome students. Today we are going to learn appreciation of the poem. Okay. So now let's start. The first point is the title of the poem is. Now where is the title of the poem? Yes, this is the poem and at the top of the poem there is a title. Here is the title. Okay, what is the title? Trees are the kindest things I know. So the answer is, the title of the poem is Trees are the kindest things I know. Second point is, the poem is written by, means the writer of the poem. Okay, and where is the name of the writer? And this is the poem, and at the bottom of the poem there is a name, and it is Harry Benn. Okay, so the poem is written by Harry Benn. The third point is, the poem has dash stanzas. Each stanza has dash lines. Now look at the poem. How many stanzas are there in this poem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 stanzas. So the poem has 8 stanzas. E-I-G-H-T. Okay, each stanza. Each stanza has dash lines. How many stanzas are there in each stanza? 2 lines. Okay, so each stanza has 2 lines. Now the fourth point is, the line that rhyme in each stanza are. Okay, now you have to find out rhyming words. Now look into the poem. So rhyming words: know, grow, cows, bows, above, oh, Halloween, green, begun, sun, light, night, sky, lullaby, ago, no. Means look at the every stanza. In every stanza, the first line rhymes with second line. Means the line that rhyme in each stanza are first and second. First and second in every stanza. Each stanza are first and second. The fifth point is, dash is a repeated expression in the poem. Now there is a one line. Is there any line repeated? Is there any word or words repeated in the poem? Yes. Which is that line? Trees are the kindest things I know. Look at the first line and look at the last line. So this line is repeated. Okay, so you can write, trees are the kindest things I know. And if you see, two words are repeated again and again. The first word is they, T-H-E-Y, and the second word is and or and. Okay, these two words are repeated. So you can write like that: they and the words they and are repeated expression in the poem. Or you can write like that: trees are the kindest things I know is a repeated expression in the poem. And the last point is, the line I shall always remember is. Now here are many lines. So you can choose any line which you like. Okay, if you ask me which is your favorite line, which line you will remember always, so I'll answer that trees are the kindest things I know. So this line I will always remember. Or I like the another line also. For example, and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. So this line is also, I like this line also. Okay, so you can write any line which line you like. Okay. Thank you very much.